Hey nature lovers! My name is Andrea Ansel, and I'm the Director of Design at FTD. Today, we're going to walk through how to design the standard version of Mariposa, one of the bouquets from our new spring collection. I've always wanted to create my dream garden. Until then, I'll show you what it would look like with today's bouquet. My ideal backyard garden would be filled with all shades of textural pinks and lavenders, which is what inspired this creation. There's something so sweet about these colors and they're abundant that makes it so lush. We'll start this piece with our cinched signature collection vase filled about 3/4 of the way with water. As we begin adding flowers, remember to trim your stems of any leaves that fall below the water line to increase the life of your bouquets. Like most of our spring collection, we'll start with salal tips as our base. I continue to use salal not only to make it easier for you with inventory needs, but also for its deep, intimate green and the contrast it has to the beautiful spring colors. Next, we'll grab our lavender cushion palms, which are a nice spray flower to add to most arrangements. Remember, when adding these, the importance of creating a grid for the rest of the flowers that follow. Then we'll take our pink lily and place it towards the center of the bouquet for all to enjoy. We prefer to have these just cracking with color. Following the pink lily, you'll want to grab your green button palms and add them to the center of your design. This will give you a pop of bright green, adding a fresh color to the bouquet. Our pink alstroemeria comes next. What I love about these are the way their shapes mimic their meaning. They are known to be given to lovers whose friendship has taken a twist romantically. Finally, we'll add our pink and lavender carnations, which will sit just a hair above some of the others to give our bouquet some levels which add to that loose feel we're going for. And we're finished.